In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a snapshot using vSphere client. So from our vSphere client, my VM or my virtual machine is actually powered on and I wanted to take a snapshot. So what we need to do is to right click on the virtual machine that we wanted to take the snapshot to and go to snapshot, take snapshot, provide details on what this snapshot is about. You can actually have a date and the description for this snapshot. So for me, I'm just going to be writing a few details. I don't need a date. All right. Once I'm okay with the details that I have placed, I'll proceed to click OK. It will then create me the snapshot. So what I will do is I will go to Snapshot Manager just to check if my snapshot has been created successfully. So let's just wait. It will just refresh itself. If you have seen it, it refreshed and it now created my snapshot. And if you can see, I am here under this kill training domain. Okay, so there you go. That's how to create a snapshot for your vSphere client. Thank you.